Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to your math lesson. I am Miss Moran. So today we're going to be looking at addition sentences and subtraction sentences. So today you have to pay very close attention to the sign. Remember, if you see a plus sign that looks like a cross, that's a plus sign. That is telling you that you're adding everything together. So you're going to have two numbers and you're going to add it all together. But if you see the minus sign, which is this one right here that looks just kind of like a line like that was the subtraction symbol or the minus sign. When you see this, this gives you a clue that we're taking away. So we have an amount, maybe we have 5 and we're taking away 2, and then we're going to figure out how many we have left over. All right? So remember, when you see the plus sign, you are adding it all together. When you see the subtraction sign or the minus sign, you're taking away. You're taking stuff away. Okay? All right. So let's do a couple of activities together and then we'll talk about your homework. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to continue with our activities. It's going to be the same way as yesterday. We're going to have either addition or subtractions and we need to figure out what we're doing, okay? So here we have a number sentence. And so look at that symbol right there. Is that the plus sign or the minus sign? That one is the plus sign. And the plus sign tells us that we're going to add everything together or that we're going to take it away, take stuff away. The plus sign tells us that we're going to be adding everything together. So this is actually an addition sentence. So it says 4 plus 0 equals something. We don't know what the answer is. We're going to find out. So we're going to look over here. It says 4. That's the first number. So we're going to put 4 counters up here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4 plus. Plus means that we're going to put more. Plus 0. So I'm supposed to add 0 more. So what does that mean? Am I adding anything over here? Am I taking this one? No. 0 means nothing. So I have 4 and then I got nothing. So how many do I have? So I have 4, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 plus 0 equals 4. 4 is going to be your answer. Okay? So now let's go to our next problem. So on this one, look at the symbol for our number sentence. Is that a plus sign or a minus sign? That's a minus sign. So what does that mean? When we have a minus sign, does it mean we're going to add everything together or we're going to take it away? We're going to take some away. So the minus sign means that we're going to take away. So let's look at our numbers. 5 minus 0 equals something. So that means that we have 5. We're going to start out with 5 counters and then we're not going to take anything away. So let's do that. We start with 5. 1, 2. Let me fix that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 minus or take away 0. So that means that I'm not going to take anything away. So I'm not going to cross out anything, right? Because I'm taking away 0. You can't take away from 0. So I'm going to keep all of them. So how many am I keeping? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's look for number 5. It's right there, and we're going to put it right there. And now we're going to read our subtraction sentence together. 5 minus 0 equals 5. So I have 5, and then I took away 0, which means I took nothing. So it's going to equal 5. Good job. Okay, let's talk about your homework now. Your homework is going to be very similar to the activity we just did right now. Okay, boys and girls, so your homework is going to be very similar to the activity we did. You're going to have 2 problems. Here's one, here's the other one with number sentences. And you're going to decide if it's going to be an addition sentence where you're going to be adding everything together or if it's a subtraction sentence where you're going to be taking away. You're going to have a certain number and then you're going to be taking away stuff. After you figure out what it is that you're doing and after you count what's left over or how many you have in total up here on the 5 frame, you're going to grab your answer from down here and put it right there, okay? Don't forget to move your counters. I don't want you to just put an answer here. You need to move the counters up to the 5 frame, or if it's a subtraction sentence, you also need to move up the counters and then X out whatever needs to be taken out. Okay? Well, I hope you enjoyed today's activity and homework, and I'll see you here tomorrow. Bye-bye.